Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm going to be showing you how to paint this Tomorrow by Together TXT Sugar Rush Ride inspired nail art design. Any good manicure starts with a good base coat. I'm using peel off base coat from Hollow Taco. What I love about peel off base coat is that I can peel off my designs after spending 6 hours on it without feeling like I'm ripping my heart out of my chest. Then I'm going to be painting my index fingernail a dark green, my middle fingernail white, my ring fingernail a sheer pink, my pinky fingernail a dark blue, and my thumbnail a medium green. I don't know if this counts as cheating, but I used a white base under the green polishes because those are notorious for staining. So I'm going to start with the index fingernail design. I'm using white polish and drawing the bulb or the light part of the lamp that Pumyu is holding in that shot in the forest. Like all 5 of them are gathered around this lamp, and so I felt like it was pretty important. I did not watch the concept trailers or anything, and I do not know the whole storyline of TXT, but I find that they have those scenes like pretty often, or like scenes with similar vibes in their music videos, so I felt that it was important to include, and so I decided to put that on my index fingernail. And you know, I kind of always reference my stay gold design when I paint something that's emanating light because I feel like I did it pretty well back then, so I try to do it like that. But this one was pretty different. You know, like I couldn't really use glitter to show the light. Like I just had to use sheer yellowy polishes to show that. I don't know if I did it that well, but anyways, I tried my best and I think it still came out okay-ish. And then for the index fingernail, I'm using a bright-ish pink, a medium pink, I guess, to paint the squiggle that is on the album cover design, the digital album cover design. And it's pretty rough, very abstract. I don't really know what it is, but anyways, now I'm going to be using the medium green that I used on my thumbnail to then fill in the background, I guess, of this pink squiggle. This green thing is also another squiggly element, and I'm just filling it in where it meets the pink, I guess, like everything in between the lines. And then for the ring fingernail, I used purples, blues, pinks, shimmery pinks to kind of create that pink foresty background or set that they used. So it was my first time doing something this abstract and like textural based, so I don't think I did it that well here. Like it looks very flat. I feel like I could have made it a lot more dimensional, but that's definitely something I'll work on next time. Anyways, on top of that, I used a very light pink polish to add these feathers because I noticed mostly when Taeyeon is standing right there and like all these feathers fly up around him, it created this very ethereal look, and so I wanted to recreate that. And then for the pinky nail, I am doing a kind of watery design. I noticed this on like the floor of the forest dance scene, so I thought it was really cool and I wanted to put that on my pinky nail. And then for the thumbnail, I am just writing Temptation because that is the title or subtitle of the album, the name chapter Temptation. And I thought that the font was so cool, so I wanted to try it out myself. I'm actually only showing you guys how to write Temptation, like very basic and simple here, but I went in and kind of changed up the thickness and added more lines later. I do actually feel that the thumbnail was a success, and now I'm just adding a generous layer of top coat to everything. I also started adding a final layer of gel top coat after everything is dried and set, and I feel like it's so subtle but makes the biggest difference. And this is my TXT Sugar Rush Ride inspired design. This song was definitely a grower. I didn't like it upon first listen, and that's the same for their last comeback, but I hope you guys give it a try or maybe 2 and see where it takes you. That's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone!